Okay, so I was struggling trying to figure out how to drain my indirect hot water heater. This particular one was heated by a boiler, and I thought this drain valve down here was where I was going to use, but this particular water heater has 46 gallon of hot water supply, and then it has a 7 gallon amount of water that's actually used for the heat exchange, right? And that water comes from the boiler. So, what I've done here is I'm actually pulling this out. This is the input from the boiler. I've already cut that pipe off. And, this other pipe right here is actually, I assume the return from the boiler down here. So that was already drained. I only got about 7 gallon out of there when I drained that and opened that valve. But I couldn't figure out how to get the 46 gallons out of the tank. I tried a number of different things and even read the instructions, but it just wasn't making any sense to me. So I have turned off the cold water supply up there. I even opened that pipe, to allow some air to get into the system, because they said you need to have a hot water faucet open, so that's certainly the same as that. And then you connect to the bib and open the valve. Now, I tried this one, but nothing was coming out of it. But then what I found out is if I make sure that this hose that I have connected and all the way down to my bucket is below the tank level, then when I open this valve, you hear it actually starts to siphon out. So you do get a siphoning effect. So all I have to do is, go through the process of filling this bucket up about 30 times and dumping it. And I ought to be there. So I thought that was worth documenting.